This heartwarming video captured a cat's owner challenging day turning into a moment of deep connection with his companion. Bob was facing a particularly tough day. Despite his best efforts, he couldn't shake off the stress. Sensing his distress, his loyal cat, known for her independent spirit, approached him cautiously. She nuzzled against his leg, a rare display of affection. Recognizing her owner's need for comfort, she continued to stay by his side, purring softly. Moved by her gesture, he sat down, and she climbed onto his lap, settling in with a calming presence. Soon, their bond drew the attention of other pets in the household. A playful dog nudged his hand, while a parrot perched nearby, offering cheerful chirps. Each pet, in their unique way, surrounded their owner with love and support, easing his burdens with their unwavering loyalty. This heartwarming scene serves as a reminder of the profound connections we share with our animal companions.